this is the back side of the relay. All of the wires that are connected here, you can see. This one maybe you are not seeing correct, but this is the in the manual, a page of the manual that shows the connections of the relay. You see, there's 5 slots here. That 2 of them are basically reserved. We can add more functionalities to our relay, but right now they are slot D and slot E. You can see here and here there's 2 slots free. That if like we need some extra functions like outputs and inputs, we can like purchase and connect those there. But right now we have slot A, B, and C. A is, you can see the connections are bigger in general. These are for the power lines. So maybe like 100, 200 volts might, I think up to 110 was allowed to be connected here. And the current also can be 10 amps or something. And then we have the slot B, that is this one. The slot B is digital inputs. That here you don't have high voltage or high like current, so the connections are smaller. That's indicator the size of the connections, like you can say from far. And then you have the slot C, this one that is again they are both digital input and output. So connections from like 1 to 8 are digital inputs, and from 9 to 20 are digital outputs, some of them, and watchdog is here also. So based on this drawing, you can see which connections are watchdog. Watchdog is not used in our relays, but if you want, you can see here they are free. These 3 contacts are related to the watchdog. And then the side slot C, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digital input connections, and the digital output connections are 4 of them are digital output. And then in the back of the door you have the like push buttons, 2 push buttons that we can like integrate in our program, and so that we can use manually also. We can, for example, one of the circuit breakers we want to control with the like this push buttons, we can use those. They are the S1 and S2 buttons. And then the signal lights are here also, that they are connected. This is all here. Then we can go to the front of our cabin. I will explain there also.